Introducing the Stalker 136C Micro Skiff. Where smooth rides meet epic fishing experiences, experience the benefits of a fiberglass design. Crafted with meticulous attention to detail, this boat offers enhanced durability, a sleek appearance, and excellent resistance to weathering. The smooth and polished surface reduces drag, ensuring an easy ride and maximizing fuel efficiency. This nimble skiff glides effortlessly through the water, providing you with thrilling waterway exploration. Discover the advantages of a fiberglass design and embark on fishing adventures with confidence. Share the joy of fishing with a friend. The Stalker 136C comfortably accommodates 2 persons and leaves plenty of room for storage. Its stable design and spacious layout provide the perfect platform for landing your prized catch, and with the added peace of mind of a 3-year limited warranty, you can enjoy your fishing adventures worry-free. This boat is a premium choice in the small boat market, offering agility, stability, and fishing-focused features. Let's now explore the specifications of this Stalker. The Stalker 136C Micro Skiff offers a non-skid deck, nav stern lights, a 500 GPH bilge pump, lifting eyes, console with switch panel, and full foam flotation. With a length of 13.6 inches and a width of 62, it can comfortably accommodate 2 persons or up to 300 pounds. The boat has a maximum weight capacity of 700 pounds and is rated for a maximum horsepower of 25 HP. The package dimensions are 15 in length for the boat with a 25 HP motor, 18 foot 4 inches long on the trailer with the boat and motor, 62 inches width on the trailer, and 6 foot 2 inches with the tower on the trailer. Thanks for watching. Experience the exceptional performance of this boat, exclusively available at DirectBoats.com. See y'all out on the water, and happy fishing.